So my nephew bought me this really adorable macaroon keychain back from his trip to Paris, and I thought that I would make it into a silicone wristlet. So stay tuned. So I wanted to use the colors that are within the same scheme of the macaroon. So I got the silicone and wooden beads in these pinks, whites, and kind of shimmery, opaque, clear beads. And this is going to be the color scheme that I'm going to work with because I think it matches the colors of the keychain really well. So I'll be using this clear elastic stretch cord to make the wristlet with. That way you won't really be able to see it once I thread the beads onto it. And I just kind of went through making my own pattern as I went. There's really no rhyme or reason to the pattern that I made. I just used the beads that I had and repeated the pattern until I had gotten all of the beads onto the elastic cord. Once I've added all of the beads, I went ahead and tied several knots so that I can make sure that the wristlet will be secure. And this is the process that I use, just continually tying knots one after the other, basically making a little chain of knots so that I could make sure that this stayed very secure. Once I tied them, I added just a little drop of the super glue that I use just to make sure that they were secure. And then I held the beads apart for a little while, giving the glue time to dry so that it did not stick to the beads. Once that dried, I just snipped off the excess elastic cord. And then as you can see, the knot gets concealed. Then I went ahead and added the macaroon keychain onto the wristlet using the clasp that came with the actual keychain, and boom, super adorable wristlet to go with this equally adorable keychain. And it just adds a little bit of pizzazz, and it makes a very easy way to carry any of your keys. I love it. Hey guys, thanks for watching another video. Make sure you like the video, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more. Leave me a comment down below if there's a color scheme you would like to see me turn into a wristlet. Alright, toodles!